Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to register your business with CAC and get it approved and print your certificate within 24 hours. All right, within 24 hours. Is that simple and easy? All right. If you follow everything I'm going to show you in this video, you are going to be able to get everything done within that 24 hours I told you. But if there's any mix-up or anything, it can take you like 5 days or thereabouts, according to the timestamp with this process I'm going to show you. All right. So this is, as you can see here, you can see that this is the CAC that I registered. This is my business name, Soul Hazam Networks. All right. This is the business and I registered as at yesterday. I applied for this what's it called, for this business name yesterday around 12 p.m. all right, and then this morning as at 6 I got a message that my business registration was successful. All right, so let me show you. As you can see from here, it even costs less compared to when you give it to people to handle it for you. All right, you can see that. See the date of the payments, July 9th, right? That was yesterday at 12 p.m. all right, and this was the payment I made, 19,000, different from the what's it called, the usual 25,000, 30,000 agents charge you to get the job done for you. All right, so once you apply, you're going to apply this for this business certificate through your OPay. It is very easy. So if you are using OPay, you already have your verifications done through OPay. You have done added your NIN, your BVN, and then you've also try and upgrade your account to tier 3. Although even if you don't upgrade to tier 3, it will still work, but try and upgrade your account to tier 3. Once you've upgraded your accounts, let me show you how it is going to look like when it's successful. All right, so this is it. This is my OPay dashboard. What's it called? My OPay business names dashboard. You see, approved. Just yesterday is approved. Your business your registration application has been approved. So one thing you need to know is that your business name has to be very unique so that you won't have any hiccup or any mix-up when you are doing your application, right? So for example, if you are registering a business with a common name that is very common, like you see, you want to register a restaurant, you say Happy Restaurant. Happy Restaurant sounds like a very common restaurant name, right? Or Delicious Food Restaurant. So there should be a lot of businesses that have registered with those common names. It's more like username, right? So once there's a name available, like for example, you are trying to register Twitter accounts, X accounts, and then the username that someone else is already using, you can never use it. All right, that's how it is. So in this case, it is very, 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 very high. It is more hard compared to username, because with username you can just add one or something and everything will be over. But with this business name certificate, once the name is looking too similar to the name of other person's businesses, they will not approve it. All right, they will not approve it. So what you do is this: you make sure the name of your business is very unique, okay, and before you do your registration. And the things you are going to need down: the name of the business address, what else? Your NIN. You need a plastic NIN because you are going to upload it, and your picture. You are going to upload your passport also. You have to just snap while you are there. It's not used, but you can have it on your phone and upload it, or you snap while you are doing the registration. Okay. So let me show you real quick. This is let me show you how you are going to register. So once you, let's assume this is an account. All right, this is a OPay account that we have not activated the business name. So you click on this my business payments. You click on this me first. All right, once you are in your OPay, click on this me. All right, then you click on my business payments. Okay, my biz payments. So once you click on my biz payments, it will, if you have not if you have not activated it before you activate it, you need 100 naira to activate the OPay business payment. All right, once you activate it with 100 naira, you are going to see, let me show you. Okay, so once you've activated the biz payments, you are going to see this page. There you are going to see CAC registered, right? You click on this CAC register. Once you click on this CAC register, it is going to take you to this page. Where is it? It is going to take you to this page. So we are going to input the business details here. All right, so this is where you are going to put the business name, like this. Put your business name, the business industry, the business start date, your email address, and then what again? And then the address of your business. All right, the business address, everything. Okay, so make sure you put everything well. The most important part is this business name. Business name, like I told you before, it is very crucial. You need to you need to pick gently select your business name carefully. Make sure it is something unique that will go one hand, because the problem with it is when you are creating this is similarity in business name can get your application rejected, which will increase the time. All right, if you do everything right, you are going to get it done within 24 hours without worries. All right, I got it within 24 hours and I showed you how it's going. So I got everything done within 24 hours, and then I have showed you how it works. All right, so once you fill in these details, your business name, you select your industry, you select what's it called. So if you don't know how you are going to do, you can just click on this button here, this question mark here. They will guide you, or they will show you how you are supposed to select your business name. But as a business person, you're supposed to know that this is what you are doing. You are coming to do. You already have a business name, right? That you are coming to register. So you can just put a business name there. Right? Put a business name, the address, and then you take it to the next page. Where's the next page? Okay, this will be the next page. This is the page where you are going to put your own residential address. The first address you put was your business address, right? But you can still use the same address for business and residential, alright? If you work on the same place, alright? If you work where you stay, alright? So then after you put the address, you upload your passport, or you snap your passport. Make sure it's the passport on your OPay account. Alright, should be the same thing with your OPay account. Let it match. Then you upload your NIN. You need your plastic NIN for this, or the NIN slip, whichever one. Use my NIN plastic NIN card for this. So you upload the front of the NIN card. Then you upload this is nothing. Anything for this one. You can just leave this one. This one is optional. If there is any issue with your name or any blah 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 that you want to fix, you can just upload supporting documents there, like people that did change of name or thereabouts. Okay, so once done, the next thing you are going to do is let me show you the next page. Okay, the next page is where you are going to update your signature. Okay, you can just write it on this place, write your signature. All you have to do is just write sign. Do your nonsense, and whatever you are doing, write your Arabic or Japanese. Alright, you write your signature, then you click on continue. Okay, once you write your signature, you click on submit. So then it will bring you to this next page, where it will show you all the details you have entered so far. Carefully, calmly, gently sit down quietly and go through all the details. Up here you can see all the details you've entered. If everything is correct, then you proceed to hit on this pay 19,000 naira. Okay, you hit to pay 19,000 naira. Right now I think OPay for new, if you just activated the business account, right, they are going to give you 2,000 naira cash back. So it's basically like you are going to be paying 17,000. If you pay the 90,000, they will give you 2,000 naira back, cash back. Okay, which you can use for other things. So once you pay 19,000 naira, then that is all. You wait for OPay will tell you that it may take up to 5 business days, right? But I got it within 24 hours. So the best thing you are going to do is don't do it during the weekend. Don't register during the weekends. Register like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right. Register from Monday to Thursday so that you get it by at the end of the day, let's say Friday. All right. Don't register during the weekend. Just do your registration during the weekdays. Okay. So once you've made your payments, you wait. Okay. Once you wait. Once everything is over, once you get a message from OPay, right? You get an SMS from OPay that your business name, whether your business name has been approved or it has been rejected, you get a message from them. So after you get a message from them, you are going to come back to the same place you came, right? You come back to this CAC register. Once you come back to this CAC register, it will take you to the dashboard. Okay. Even if you don't get an SMS from OPay, after 24 hours, you can just come back here and check. Click on CAC register. Once you are back there, then you click and see whether your business name has been approved or not. If it has been approved, you are going to see something like this. Okay, you are going to see it approved. You are going to see approved, and you are going to see download CAC certificate or download status reports. Okay. So you can download the two documents, and what again? You download the two documents, yeah. Basically, once you download the two documents, you can take your CAC certificate and go to any cyber cafe that do color printing, and you tell them to print your certificate on a concrete paper, that thick brown paper. Alright, tell them to print your certificate on that thick brown paper. Then you can frame it, do whatever you want to do with it. All right, you can do whatever, and also you can back it up on your email. Okay, have it backed up on your email. It will be very, very, very helpful. All right, I think that's that for that. See you guys in the next video. All right. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, kindly subscribe.